Hi everyone, we're going to find the area of the region enclosed by the line y equals 2x and the curve y squared equals x plus 3 by subtracting the area of the triangular region from the area of the larger region. And our region is on or above the x-axis, bounded by the curves. So let's do a little sketch of this one. What they're talking about with the triangular region, if you graph y equals 2x, it's right like this one. All right, we only want this above the x-axis. So we can disregard the piece below. All right, this one, if you solve for y, you get y equals square root of x plus 3. This is a shift to the right, left by 3, and it's your square root function. I'm going to put a 1 here. I already know the thing here. So basically, when they're talking about the triangular region, they're talking about if you make a triangle here, this area here. All right. And when they're talking about the larger region, they're talking about this whole region here. So they're talking about you take this whole region. And again, remember when you square root, you have plus and minus. But we're not dealing with the minus part. All right. So we're only dealing with this intersection, where they intersect there. So let's look and see when we set these equal to each other. We're only going to have the plus. And so it's going to be plus. What I do is I just square both sides. So I'm going to get y squared equals 4x squared. So we have 2y squared, set y squared equal y squared. So we get x plus 3 equals 4x squared. So now we have 4x squared minus x minus 3 equals 0. This is going to give you 4x, x minus 1. This will be plus 3. So we get x equals negative 3/4, x equals 1. We can see from the graph it's going to be x is 1. In fact, when x is 1, y is going to be 2. And that will happen here as well for this particular point here above the x-axis. All right, so that's your intersection point. Now, let's look at what we can do. We are starting at negative 3 here. This point is 1. Now, we're going to take this larger region and we're going from negative 3 to 1. And I'm going to go ahead and write this as x plus 3 to the power of 1/2 dx. And we're going to subtract the triangular region. Remember, the triangle region is right here. All right. So that's going to be minus, and this is going from 0 to 1. And you have 2x dx. All right. And the rest, the integration should be pretty clear. For this one, you're going to get 2/3 x plus 3 to the power of 3/2. We're evaluating from negative 3 to 1. All right. And then minus, for this one, it's just x squared. We're evaluating that from 0 to 1. All right. Now, when you substitute in 1, you're going to get 2/3 times 1 plus 3 to the power of 3/2. When you substitute in the negative 3, that's just going to be 0 there. All right. Now, let's do this piece. This is going to be minus 1 squared minus 0 squared. All right. Now, let's see what we get. I'm going to use this color. This is going to be 2/3 4 to the power of 3/2 minus 1. So this is going to be, let's see, square root of 4 is 2. 2 cubed is 8, so 2/3 times 8 minus 1, which gives you 16/3 minus 1. So that's minus 3/3. That's going to be 13/3. And that's going to be approximately 4.333. So your exact value and your approximate value are there. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.